out because if I don't do it, who gon' do it? They don't run me south. I like to pop on mines and talk mine and do the stuff that they can't do, make me shine. And everybody wanna talk, but it's not time. And yeah, I've been on my grind, and you just wasted my time. But don't ask for much. I was laying on that bunk right in back. I was laid inside a room with a person named T, and she kept it so written down. I would've thought it was me, but she was outside of my body, so I know I could see. People wanna tell me one thing, do another. I don't wanna hear nothing, cause I really miss my mother, and I miss my brother. Man, I gotta see him, cause I really love them. I tell these people that I love them, and they take that for granted. Trying not to cuss on the beat and still cause damage. You know just how they get when I'm trying to work out my differences. Be a different man. I said a different man, I've been a woman. Does it really matter? You know how I'm coming. Got a whole lot of people saying that I'm too bummy. My style really on point. Why the fuck they hating on me? Man, I come from nothing. How they gon' hate on me? I put my book bag on my back and I get walking on my feet. It's been a minute since I touched the wheel. I'm in the back of Gianni's truck. I call that line, he gon' get me there. So don't ever think I can't move the way I want to. I'm the one they can't take. Trying to get this paperwork done. Whole lot of things on my mind, so I hop on this beat. Just to tell y'all people, man, I've been doing this for a good minute. I'm real seasoned with it, and that's it. Respect my craft, and I respect yours. Until then, CERTI.